Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, it is Thanksgiving time, so that means it is Thanksgiving menu time for me. We're gonna start day number one with our first item. I'm gonna make me a nice chicken stock for my dressing and for my gravy. And you can see I got me some nice chicken thighs right here, and some onion, green bell pepper, celery, some chicken bouillon powder, and I'm gonna add a little black pepper to it also. Not a big herb guy, and so you're not going to see me using any kind of herbs or anything like that. My family isn't too big on herbs and stuff. We just like to keep it simple. So I'm going to just go ahead and get this right here all washed up and cut up. I'll be using a different approach with my stock this year, guys. So I'll get all of this stuff ready and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I am back. I got my chicken thighs right here and got my vegetables all cut up. I'm not going to be seasoning my chicken not yet, guys. I'm going to just be getting these ready to go in the oven and get them roasted off. But first, what I'm going to do here is change this thing around because I want to put my vegetables on the bottom of this baking sheet right here. I'll get this down on the bottom. Then I'll place my chicken on the top of it. And we're going to let these bad boys go in the oven. Uncovered, 375 for about an hour and 20 minutes, hour and 30 minutes or so. Make sure we get these nice and roasted off. Please excuse the noise in the background. Alright, so we can go ahead and get that like that. Then I'll come in and put the rest of my veggies down on here. And guys, by all means, you can add anything else that you would like to add inside of your stock. You could add some carrots to it and nice herbs and stuff like that. But I just like keeping it a little simple. This is the way I grew up with my mom making her dressing. We didn't use all of that herb and you guys like that giblet and stuff like that. We just had just a nice simple dressing. Alright, so I went on ahead and added me another thigh to it to even it off. 6 of these thighs. So this goes in the oven uncovered, guys, 375. Let this go for about an hour and 20, hour and 30 minutes. And then I'll be back and show you my next step for this, which is going to be a little bit different than I normally do. Alrighty guys, I am back and this is my chicken right here coming out of the oven. 375. I let it go for an hour and 20 minutes, just like this uncovered. And this looks pretty good. Remember, these aren't seasoned or anything yet. Just wanted to get those roasted off, help develop more flavors as we get the stock rolling. So those look good, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing ready to transfer, guys, to my crock pot. Yep, I said crock pot, and there it is. We're doing it different this year. I'm not gonna let it sit on that heat for 3 or 4 hours, and you can just put it in the crock pot. Let's try that out, see how that works. That crock pot is gonna just simmer and simmer for hours upon hours, and flavors are gonna develop. You won't have to worry about adding any more liquid to it or anything like that. So just got all of my chicken and vegetables down inside of that crock pot here. And I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna put all of this juice inside of there also, guys. All of that is nothing but flavor. Please excuse my mama talking all loud in the background. Alright, so once we get it like that, then I just went on ahead and added some water to it, fill it all the way up to the top of that good old H2O. Then once I had it like that, my phone died and it skipped the part where I added the black pepper and the chicken bouillon powder, and I gave it a taste, guys. You want to taste it first to make sure you have a nice good taste to your stock. That way you won't have to go back and really season your gravy when you make it, or season your dressing when you make it, because you're already starting with a nice, well-seasoned, flavorful stock. So I hit that thing on low, put that button on low, and let it slow simmer, guys, for 9 hours. I put this thing on and I went to bed, let it just slow simmer for 9 hours, and this is what we have right here. Absolutely wonderful stock. And I hit the seasoning just right, nice and flavorful. I'm gonna come in here with a different spoon so you guys could really see the color of it. Absolutely beautiful color on it. And I'm just gonna let that thing cool down because this was still hot. I had just turned it off, so that's really hot. But I let it cool down, and then I'm just gonna screen it out, put it in my container for when I'm ready to make my cornbread dressing and my gravy. I'm not gonna have to re-season anything, guys, because this stock is already perfectly seasoned. Alright, guys, so that is it. There's no taste test with this today. It's just a nice, good, flavorful stock right here. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and also please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a blessed Sunday and a happy week, guys.